Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. In this video, we will see how we can download Kali Linux for our Windows computer. So to download Kali Linux, at first we need to go kali.org, this website. Just open any browser, whatever you like Chrome or Firefox or Microsoft Edge or anything is fine. And then just go kali.org, this website. Okay, once you are there, then you will find this type of page. Okay, so in this page there will be an option which is called downloads. This is the menu in the top, and if you click the downloads link, then it will pop up all the download option of Kali Linux. Right now there are many ways you can download Kali Linux, and these are supported for different purposes. Okay, so for the first two here, you will see that this is the installer, and if you want to install Kali Linux standalone to your computer, then you can download this, either any of these two. If your computer is 64-bit, just download 64-bit version, and if your computer is 32-bit version, just download 32-bit versions of Kali Linux. And if you want to install Kali Linux like VirtualBox or VMware, then you can also install that thing. So for this case, you need to download the VMware version of Kali Linux, and for VMware version there are two versions, one is 64-bit version and is 32-bit version. So in this way you can download from these two links. And for VirtualBox, similar way, there are two versions, one is 64-bit version and is 32-bit version. So my plan is to download Kali Linux, and I will install it with VirtualBox. Okay, my computer is 64-bit version, so I'll download this version of Kali Linux, and this is Kali Linux 64-bit VirtualBox. But if you are trying to install this for your VirtualBox like 32-bit, just download from there. So just click here, then it will go this offensive security VM download page. So I'm just going to click here, and once I click there, then the download link for Kali Linux or VirtualBox, it will be here. Okay, so from here, if we scroll down a little bit, then you will find two links. One is for 64-bit and is 32-bit. So our target is to download the 64-bit version of Kali Linux. So I'm going to click it here, and then it will start downloading, and it will start downloading. You'll see here right now it is like 2 GB, and it's showing me like 3 minutes remaining. Okay, so it depends on the internet speed. Based on that, it will be downloaded, and once it is finished downloading, then you'll find in your download location or somewhere on your computer this thing, and then you can start using this thing with your VirtualBox software. Okay, so that's all. I think you have idea how to download the correct version of Kali Linux from Kali Linux website, and hopefully this video is helpful for you to choose the right OS version of Kali Linux to download before you want to install. And if this video is helpful for you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video. See you on the next video.